Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a new feature that we've just added where you can create your own chatbot that's an expert on your website and or Web3 project. Whatever you're building with Playfix, you can have a chatbot assistant that has all the information about your project and people can just talk to it like a person. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that Sitebot on the Playfix platform right now. So the first thing that you're going to see when you get onto the Playfix platform is the menu on the left here. The first thing we want to do is go to Sitebots. And once you're here, you'll see all the Sitebots that you've created, but we want to make a new Sitebot. So you're going to click on this button, new chatbot right here, and it's going to take you to this page. Once you get to this page, we're going to fill out this form with all the information about your project. So I have a made-up project, a coin I call Aspen Coin, and I'm just going to fill out this information. So the project name will be Aspen Coin. Description, this will just be a description of your project. Now the bot instructions. Here we'll put a system prompt for the bot that tells it how to act. So in this section, you could put in a prompt that makes it do something more specific, but we're just trying to make a bot that is an expert in my project. But let's say we wanted a bot that was specific to just the tokenomics of a project or just the white paper or just the roadmap. We could do that too. This is where we can get creative. But for now, I just want to make a bot that's an expert on my Web3 project. So I just put simple instructions saying that you're a virtual assistant to whoever goes onto my website and people can ask anything about the project. Next, we have the first message from the chatbot. So this will be the welcome message. It'll be the first thing that people see. I'm just going to put something very simple that just says, welcome to the Aspen Coin chatbot. Ask me anything that you would like to know about the Aspen Coin. Here, we could have multiple starter messages. We can add 1 to 4. And what you could do here is you could have different messages that would be different ideas of what you could ask the chatbot so that people who aren't familiar or know where to start have an idea of what to do first. And you can put 1 to 4 starter messages. So I've put my 1 to 4 starter messages just to give them an idea. Now we have mostly contact information, the website, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube. So I'm just going to fill that out. And now we have the project ticker. This would be an abbreviated form of your project. Mine will be ASP. And here we can state the brand color of my project. My main brand color will be a forest green. And then lastly, the publisher's Twitter. So this would just be whoever the publisher of this project would be and their handle on Twitter. Now we can either make this chatbot public or private, depending on what you want to do with it. So I'm going to make it private. And the next thing we want to do is hit this create button. And now a window pops up here and we can test out the chatbot. So let's just ask it, tell me about the Aspen Coin. There you go. So it's used the information I've given it to give me an answer. But we could give it a lot more information. And we do that by going up here to data and adding documents. So in this area is where we would add any documents related to the project. Since I want to make a chatbot that's specifically an expert at everything about my project, I'm going to put as much documents as I can so that if anybody has any questions, there'll be an answer somewhere in the documents. So for right now, I'm just going to upload the white paper of this fake project, which should cover a lot of the questions that people are looking for. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this. This will pop up and I'll just choose my file. And then I'll just hit indexed. And now it's indexed and the Sitebot can use it. So I know for a fact that there is a roadmap in the white paper that I've just indexed. So I'm going to ask the chatbot about it. What is the roadmap for the Aspen Coin? There you go. Awesome. So now we want to put this Sitebot onto our website that we've built with Playfix. So before we can do that, it's really important that we go and get the Sitebot ID. It's really important that we use this because it's going to let the AI know on the Playfix platform what Sitebot we need for this website. So to get the Sitebot ID, we're going to hit settings here and it'll now be up here under Sitebot ID. So we're just going to copy this. Now we want to make a website and put this Sitebot on there. So I'm going to go to dashboard. I'm going to make a new project, call this Aspen Coin. Now we have a new project and I'm going to go to the AI builder on the bottom right here and I'm going to give it a prompt. And then the prompt is going to be add a reg chatbot with Sitebot ID : and then the Sitebot ID that we just copied. Now I just hit enter. And I'm just going to see what happens. And boom, now we have a Sitebot right on our website, an expert on everything on this project, specifically the Aspen Coin. So we can go ahead and just ask it a question. I'm going to ask it, what's the coolest thing about the Aspen Coin? And there you go, it gave me an answer. And the information that it used is from the information that I gave it. So even if I ask a really obscure question like, what's the coolest thing? It's going to always make sure that it uses the information I provided, giving people the best answer possible. And if you've seen one of these videos before, you know that this is very early, and these Sitebots will only get more and more advanced and a lot more cooler. If you haven't already, join the Discord community, test it out, give us feedback, and look forward to being able to use this for your own projects. And with that said, thanks guys, and see you guys on the next video.